With the proven fourth innovation methodology, you can create 1,000+ innovative ideas 100% online with your team. Like here, 1,256 ideas. Wow! Now, how are you going to select the best ones out of 1,000+ ideas together online? Florian Hameister will show you all our online Miro boards, in which he step by step explains you how to get from 1,000+ ideas to 5 worked out and tested concepts which have high potential to fulfill your innovation assignment. Let's start right away.
After generating 1,256 ideas, I show you now how to select the best concept in 6 steps. The first step is selection of top ideas. We had no good experiences with clustering, voting, or sorting these huge amount of ideas. That's why we went a different way. We do this process asynchronous. It is the last step of the ideation workshop. And every participant can choose his top ideas. One should be a really quick solution, and the other one should be a crazy awesome solution. He should always have the innovation assignment in mind, and he can also place a third spare idea. At the end, we have at least 40 top ideas. The second step of how to select the best concepts is making idea directions. Most ideas are either way too vague or way too detailed, and the goal of this step is to bring them in a meso level. The main question always is, what is the direction behind the idea? That helps him to generate the right idea directions. At the end, we have for all ideas, idea directions. The third step is selecting the top idea directions. To prevent that already all the revolutionary ideas get voted out, we split the idea directions into evolutionary ones and revolutionary ones and vote separately on them. We do this with the voting tool of Miro. This is how it looks like when it's voted. You see here certain cards that got a few points or get votes, how many votes, 3, 2, etc. And this is how we choose then our top 15 idea directions. The fourth step of how to select the best concepts is making idea mind maps. The purpose of this step is to use the collective brain power to generate input for the next step, making concepts. Each participant should give input to these 4 following questions. For whom is this idea direction? How can we make it? What is it? And what is the business model behind it? And this is how it can look like later on. The fifth step is making concepts. With all the input of the idea mind maps, teams now generate concepts. These concepts have 4 sections: concept name, the situation with the customer and the friction, the description of the concept itself, and a catchy slogan. After this, all concepts will be presented and rated. Rated means each participant gives a top and a tip, and it will be rated according to the most important criteria according to the innovation assignment. This is value input for improving the concept. The sixth and final step of how to select the best concept is the concept assessment and selection. At first, the teams use the customer testing results to improve their concepts. The whole innovation team will be split into 2 groups. In team attractiveness are all market and sales people. In team feasibility are all people with knowledge about production and financials. Both teams assess all concepts according to the innovation assignment. The one only on attractiveness and the other one only on feasibility. The top 5 concepts will be chosen. The project sponsor has, as always here, a wild card. Now we have selected our best concepts.
Do you want to get also 1256 ideas online with your team? Watch this movie here, How to Get Ideas Online. Please put a thumbs up when you like this video and subscribe here when you want to have a new How to Innovate movie every Wednesday, and click the bell for notifications to know when it's live. Let's innovate and stay safe.